Hello, this is Robert from Beyond 20. Today we're working in Cherwell version 8.1.2, and we're going to take a look at having change request use the expanded view by default. So I'm going to go ahead and run over to a change request here and make a new one. And you'll see that the default change requests are going to use the step through view. And that's perfect for taking a look at what's currently on the screen and what's necessary for the current step of the change request. However, some folks do prefer to have the entire change visible, and so they would rather just have the expanded view available here by default for new changes that are getting created. That's actually a pretty quick update in Cherwell. I'm going to go ahead and do that through a blueprint here. If we head over to the orange pill, and let's make a new blueprint and go to change request. And we're going to actually update the current step. By default, the current step is going to be 1. We want to go ahead and change that to 99, which is then going to bring the expanded view in by default. Let's go ahead, save and publish this. Save that, publish the blueprint, and then we'll go ahead and have to do a reload definitions. And so while this blueprint is publishing, there's actually one other step that's going to be necessary, and that's going to be for the standard change type. We actually don't have an expanded view. So we're going to set the, a separate standard view. But we're gonna actually just set the current step value to 99. And now, with our change to the default value for current step, standard change will actually be using the correct form. If we didn't make this change and we had the step set to 99, we're not going to actually see anything on the screen because there's not going to be a form that gets pulled in for when we select a standard change type. So now that blueprint has been published, we're going to reload our definitions. And let's create a new change. And if you take a look, we are now defaulting to the expanded view. Let's cycle through the other change type here. For standard, you can see that the form displays. That's great. Prior to that current step update for standard, that would not have been the case. And then we can see the emergency form also updates. So this is a pretty quick way to set the expanded view to be the default view for change requests. Thanks for watching. This is Robert from Beyond 20. Please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for other Cherwell tips and tricks.